Then, as always, he looked down at the cloud. He remembered how it was the first time he did this. As he did not know the way to the world of stars and tulips, he felt that he could look a little below his realm at the cloud, which sometimes wandered faster, sometimes slower. So he decided to pay him a visit. Lightning liked to get on the cloud and walk slowly, by no means fast. He was afraid that the electrifying burst would suddenly appear and ruin his great journey, or somehow upset the cloud with its appearance. Lightning happily discovered that from the cloud he could look even further down on the earth. He couldn't decide which of the two realms he liked best.